5 ways you can eliminate the extra zhuzh, the minutia in your life. What do we do to simply cope and manage that pressure? Boss, friends, family. It just goes on and on. You know, the weather, I gotta rush home, my children, my animals. Compartmentalize. Try not to get overwhelmed. Do your 5-minute meditation breaks. Focus. What's most important? What can wait till tomorrow? These are common sense tactics I'm sure you've heard before, but it is so important. Why? Because it's after COVID. Our blood pressure is up to here. Our health really matters now. Really matters now. It's all about balance. That's adding to the pressure. Do you really have to do it? Does it have to get done this second, or can it wait till tomorrow? You have to remember, the energy that you put out, you get back. You put out pressure and stress, it comes back to you. I'm not dismissing it or minimizing it. What I am saying is prioritize and organize.